Classic Air Medical. We're the largest non-for-profit air ambulance service in the world. We have 25 locations around the West there, and we specifically use Bell 407s. We love having the fleet. Tony Henderson, Chief Executive Officer of Classic Air Medical. Utah is our headquarters. We're in every state surrounding Utah, and we're in Puerto Rico, Alaska, and Haiti also. It is rugged terrain, and the Bell 407 is awesome for the lifting power. We do have a 429 at our location near Aspen. Just needed a little more power lifting, and so that works great there around that terrain. But the Bell 407s fit our need perfectly. I mean, the uptime is phenomenal with Bells, and that's the reason I like the fleet all the same too. You know, we've got the fleet of 25 of these, and being able to have the parts, the support, the training. You don't have to train a bunch of different models, so that helps. We love the service provided. It's efficient. The costs are very low in a Bell 407, and so we love that. And having the fleet and having the support, love being able to have parts when we need them readily available. And the support is great. New training facility really helps us with our pilots too, which is great. So when you have 25 Bell 407s, it's sure nice to have all that support. I've used a bunch of different products over the years, and Bell has been always just this solid standard that's always been there and isn't going away. It's nice to be able to trust in something, you know, that's here today and it's going to be there tomorrow.